Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. Okay, in today's video, we'll look at an issue which I faced long time back. I was trying to recreate the issue, but I was not able to do so. But I've taken a note of it. I've written an article on it, so I would be explaining it from the article as to what the issue was. So the issue was that I was unable to delete a SharePoint site, and I was not able to remove content from the preservation hold from the SharePoint site. So now what was happening was that I had created a SharePoint site and I deleted everything, and I could not see anything in the deleted items folder or any of the second state deleted items anywhere. But when I delete the SharePoint site, it was not getting deleted. I was getting an error message, empty the recycle bin. And then I found that there's some content in the preservation hold. I removed the content from the preservation hold, and I was not able to do so. And I removed there was compliance that I had applied. I removed the compliance. I did most of the things. So compliance, for that, there's a compliance dashboard which had a preservation hold. I removed those things, but still I was not able to delete the items from the preservation hold, which was stopping me from proceeding further on the SharePoint side of it. I tried a lot of things, but finally I get to know what the problem was. So what you do is, if you ever stuck with a problem where you're not able to delete the items from preservation hold, or you're not able to delete the whole SharePoint site, and it's saying that because you have a lot of content or you have content, you're not able to delete it. I would suggest you to have a look at this article, delete items from preservation hold in SharePoint Online. Over there, what you need to do is make sure that there is no preservation hold applied and there is nothing applied on it. And still after that, you will not be able to delete the items from preservation hold because that gets stuck somewhere. The preservation hold policies don't work always. Doesn't release always. What you do is you come over here and you look for option delete the unable to delete SharePoint site. So when you come here, what you will see is there is an issue, or there's an diagnostics which will execute and which will tell you what the problem is currently with that SharePoint site, why you're unable to delete it. So you put in your SharePoint site URL in it, okay, and you say run the test. Now when you run this test, what it's going to do is it's going to look for preservation holes or anything else that is stopping it from deleting. Okay, you would see these things happening. You'll see this preservation hold test running in the background. It'll take some time, but definitely it will remove all the holes. It will remove everything else that is needed in order for you to be able to delete the items in preservation hold and then delete the site as well. So in this video, there is two main things. First, okay, this says there was no issues, you can delete the site. But in case if I had a preservation hold which was stuck, due to which I was not able to delete the site, I would have got that prompt that the preservation hold has been removed and you can proceed with deletion. So over here, if you can see, I come here, I put in the site URL, I do the diagnostics, and after diagnostics, it will say success. The removal of invalid retention policy on the site has completed. This is the error message. This is the message that you get once you run that command. Now I was not able to get that command because there was no invalid hold, and this is not something which has happened always on all the sites. This is very rare, but this still happens. I'm 100% sure about it. This happens. And then you run this PowerShell command to remove the items from the preservation hold, and that's it. You would now be able to delete the site, or you would be able to take all the actions that you want to do on the site. And if you want to know how you can remove the preservation hold, this is the steps on how you can remove preservation hold using Microsoft Purview compliance portal. This is the portal. This is the Purview compliance portal that we have. Okay. If you need any assistance with this, or if you ever, if you are stuck with this kind of issue, feel free to connect with me. I'll see what I can help you with. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Bye.